First Take. Und wie ich schon bei dem ersten First Take gesagt habe, diese Gitarre stammt noch aus einer Zeit, als man wusste, dass man für komische Vorstellungen komische Sachen rauchen musste. Oder schlucken. Oder sollte, könnte, dürfte.
Da mach.
Dürfte ist, glaube ich, der richtige Ausdruck.
Da mach. Hard turn right behind your home. A little crack on the road. Just a tiny bump, but every morning, and in your hair it grows. The roadway was much better then, like most of the things you see. Kids do civility, at least in your face. Not my suckers, not my monkeys, apeshit apes. Not my suckers, not my monkeys, apeshit apes. Don't tell me to wake up compared to you, I'm pretty clear. Your nightmare's your own delusion, I wish you'd stop again. Don't tell me to wake up compared to you, I'm pretty clear. Your nightmare's your own delusion, I wish you'd stop again. Outside shine your second car, and inside all your fear. Same feel right as your bros, Schnitzelmate, pub and beer. Breakups, I don't think there's so much. Well, that needs a plan, hidden and by many, like the ninjas in Japan. Not my suckers, not my monkeys, apeshit apes. Not my suckers, not my monkeys, apeshit apes. Don't tell me to wake up from bed with you, I'm pretty clear. Your nightmare's your own illusion, I wish you'd stop again. Don't tell me to wake up from bed with you, I'm pretty clear. Your nightmare's your own illusion, I wish you'd stop again. Don't tell me to wake up no matter you, I'm pretty clear. Your nightmare's your own illusion, I wish you'd stop again. Don't tell me to wake up no matter you, I'm pretty clear. Your nightmare's your own illusion, I wish you'd stop again. Simple as you always thought, this can be explained. just by a conspiracy. Your world could be gained.
Und in diesem Sinne, nicht unser Zirkus, nicht unsere Affen.